Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Cozy Mystery Author Courtney Flagg, and today we're talking about 2024 writing goals. So let's just say, looking back at 2023, I would say did a lot more than what I thought, but I pivoted. So let's review what I did and think about what my plans are. Starting in 2023, I had the idea of writing my third book of the Sticker Shop Mystery series. So the second book released, and I thought I was continuing on that. However, I wrote about 25,000 words or so half of what my goal was. So I was looking for around 50K. And I just didn't know what else to add. So I put that on the back burner and decided to start a paranormal cozy because I had a really awesome idea. So I started that, I believe in January is when I started writing it, and I got roughly around 25,000 words in that. And then I kind of got stuck because I didn't have everything plotted out and I didn't really know what to do. So I put that on the back burner. And I kind of just went about. I had the launch in May for Planners to Blunder, and I was thinking, what else can I write? And I already bought 7, culinary cozy covers, and I was like, well, why don't I start doing that? And I started thinking, why not trying more the novella short story length? Because then I could write them faster and get them out, build up my readership, and kind of go from there. And that is exactly what I did. So in July, I'd say less than 2 weeks, I wrote the first story, so Black Licorice Larceny. I was just like feeling so good. I was like, yeah. And then I kind of petered out like how I always do. I feel like I could write for like a straight 8 days, getting like 2,000 words or more. And then after that, I need to take a really long break, like a month or so. Because that's kind of what happened in January when I was doing that paranormal. I wrote about 8 days and I got 25K, so which was pretty awesome for me. And so with that, I need to be more, I guess now that I've done that, writing where I guess you could say like I binge write and then I take a break, is how can I utilize that and use it as a strength in my writing schedule, my publishing schedule for 2024. So with that in mind, I want to share what my plan is. And I'm actually starting in December. So I've kind of skewed my year. So December is like part of Q1. So it goes December, January, February. And I am doing that because I need to get a head start. I have been planning the last 3 days in December, getting all my goals set, and I'm already 3 days in. So with that being said, by the end of December, I will be ready to rock and roll in January. So I'm kind of skewing things, just kind of tricking my mind, if you will, but I'm excited for what is in store. So we're going to share my screen. And there is this awesome timeline publishing calendar book production timeline that I snagged from someone right here. Authors on the Rise. There you go. Go check them out if you want to get this because it's pretty cool. But what you get to do is play around with your desired word count. So I'm looking to do my next in the seasonal suite. So it is a short story. So I'm looking around 12,000, 10,000 words. And what I do roughly, I would say in 30 minutes is, give or take 450 words, 300, somewhere around that ballpark. And I can only really write about 3 hours a week. So it's not a lot, which will give me the word count of close to 3,000 words, which is great. If I feel inspired, I could totally write more than, my 3 hours. But then it goes into your, your target calculator. So today, December 3rd, is the start. And I've already have the plot kind of laid out for the St. Patrick's theme one. So that's really great. So that's a start, and then it basically does the calculation based off your timeline for your first draft and how long it takes to prep, all that stuff. And then it kind of calculates, you gotta start your first draft by the 17th, because down here I put prep time is how many weeks for research, plotting, etc. This is where I say, oh, it's only gonna take me a few days. No. It takes me so much longer, which I think now is going to help me in the long run, is if I could do more work on the front end. So do a lot more plotting, getting everything laid out, even, getting my Scrivener up and ready. Stay tuned for that, because I'm working on a really cool thing where it works for Cozy Mysteries. Once it's fleshed out, you'll be the first to know. So hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about writing Cozy Mysteries. Then it talks about the revising. So that's for self-editing, pro editing. I put 3 weeks because it takes about a week for my editor to do the first edits and then to do proofreading. And then if I do a week for myself, so we got 3 weeks, publication time, formatting, upload, that does not take me a lot. So I did half a week, same with promotions, launching, all that. Secret here, I really struggle at this promotion, so I'm keeping it real simple and just putting half a week. But as I become better, this might change. But for right now, I'm only doing 3 days worth. So then it's really cool. It tells you your production timeline. So 9 weeks, total publishing is 12 weeks. So that means I could write a book once every 3 months. So with that, I could publish 4 books a year. Sounds awesome, right? Did I actually do that in 2023? Yes, I did. I did one, full-length Cozy Mystery and 3 short story Cozy Mysteries. So yes, I did publish 4 books in 2023. Pretty awesome. And so I hope to continue that. So looking over here in the calculator, it tells you where I need to finish my first draft by January, do my editing deadline, and my publication, because my target launch I put as 12/13/2024. So that is the goal. And we will see if I could do that, because what I actually need to do is get my Valentine's Day one up and running, because that, I would say, isn't quite there, is almost flushed out, but I need to go back. And so there's that. I just wanted to kind of show you that really cool spreadsheet. And with that, we are actually going to go over to my tabletop over here, and we are going to map out Do I want to do the full year? Yeah, I want to do my full year. So from this calculator, it says I could write 4 books if I continue on that 12-week publishing schedule. So with that said, what are going to be my 4 stories for 2024? Let's go find out. Okay, I printed out a year's worth of calendars, and see if we could get you a little closer. And this is kind of similar to what I did here, which was my 4 short stories. And so basically I had start date, the plotting, ref draft, send editor, all that. We are going to be doing that based off of what that sheet listed. So we have January, and I'm starting in December. So the 4-leaf crime scene, that is anticipated to be finished by December 17th. Right there. So smack dab in the middle of the month. So if that is, so I need to finish, I don't know, 4-leaf crime scene. So with that, we have, I'm actually going to put a little key up here so I know. And edits deadline is February 7th. So I'm going to put edits. And basically have everything done. I'm just going to call it finish publication, whatever it may be, on the 10th. Cool. So first book done. Next, we are moving on to the Easter one, Easter basket. So that one, looking back, that I'm going to actually try to start writing is... It's on a Saturday, and I know I don't write really on Saturdays, but this is just kind of gives me an idea. So we have Easter basket, burglary, and then February. That was the start. So start, which incorporates. This is actually start. Starting the drafting. So, I'm confusing myself, right? This is going to be actually called plot. Taking out some whiteout. I'm also using the Crayola Super Tips, in case you're wondering. Okay, so that's plotting. And then we are on March. So, March is finish the draft by 3/5. So we're going to call this draft. 3/26. This is edits. And 3/29 finish. Cool. Moving on to our 4th of July one. Trying to find a different color pen. And that one is starting in April. I want to plot April 1st, then the 15th. This is draft. 5/16. I guess that's the start, right, of the edits.
6. Finish. I think I messed this one up. That's okay though. And then, drum roll please. In the month of June, I am going to start back on the sticker shop mystery. So I have the start of the sticker shop. And so with that, I want to kind of finish it. So we are going to plot at the end. So then that leaves me, it's a longer book. July, August, September. So, and then November. That one we'll do the edits. And hopefully by December 1st, 2024, I could finish the third book. So, we have, and then this is Star Spangled Strangler, and we have the next one of the sticker shop mystery. I do not have a name. I need to create the book covers, so none of that is made or anything. So this is kind of what my game plan is finish up in January, 4-leaf crime scene, start plotting the next one, and continue writing throughout the spring. Now we're actually going to put in some release dates. So I need to release, Easter isn't on here, but I think Easter is in April. So in April, I need to release, I feel like I could do probably the 23rd. So we're going to do the Easter basket regular release. And then we need to have in the month of June. Or I guess we could do it right before. We're going to do the 2nd. So we have to of July. And March, I need to release the crime scene. St. Patrick's Day is there, so probably want to do it right before. So and I'm just adding this for fun. Is on the 11th. I hope to do Heart-Shaped Homicide. But if I can't make that, I will be fine as the 25th as an alternate. So there we have it. I got everything mapped out for my 2024 writing.
I hope you enjoyed walking through my 2024 writing plan, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am for what the new year holds. Let me know in the comments below if you have any writing related goals, what your publishing schedule is, and I am sure to cheer you on. So I hope you guys have a good one. Until next time. Bye.